Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know a lot of you guys seem to like my previous bracelet videos, so today I'm sharing 4 more easy to follow bracelets. This first style is called the braided stitch. You'll need 3 colors of embroidery floss. I'm using white, pink, and yellow. And you'll also need a pair of scissors. So grab a ruler and cut 90 centimeters for each color. Fold both ends in half and make a knot in the middle to form a loop. Tape that onto a table or really any flat surface that you can work on. And sort your strands by color. My order was pink, yellow, white. Tuck away your color on the far right because we're not using that quite yet. Next, grab your first 2 pieces of string and make a 4 knot. Make 2 of these. Then with that same piece of string, keep making your 4 knots and stop after the end of your second color. Take the other string of that color and do the same. Make sure you're doing not 1 but 2 knots each. Okay, now put aside your far right color and bring back the one on the left. Then make backwards 4 knots until the end of the second color. Now put aside your new far left color and repeat the process all over again. Keep doing these steps over and over again, going back and forth between colors. Obviously you can make yours longer, but just for the purpose of this video, I tied mine off here. If you want to learn how to make your bracelet adjustable, click the eye in the corner. Here's my finished pattern, and I think it turned out pretty nice. This next bracelet is Chevron. You'll need 3 colors of embroidery floss and, of course, scissors. Go ahead and measure out 90 centimeters of each color. For this bracelet, you'll want your colors to mirror each other. Take your first color and make 2 4 knots. Do this with the next piece of string as well. Once you reach the middle, stop there and move on to the right side. Repeat the same steps except with backward instead of forward knots. When your string meets in the middle, make 2 more backward knots. Go through each color with these steps until you finish your bracelet. Just tie it off at the end and you're done. Up next is a letter bead bracelet. You'll need 1 or 2 colors of string, your beads of course, and scissors. Cut 2 strands, each measuring about 90 centimeters. As usual, make your loop and tape it. Split your string in half with 2 strands on each side, then make a 4 knot. Next, make a backwards 4 knot. Alternate between the forwards and backwards knots about halfway down your bracelet. Divide your string so that there's 2 strands on the inside and 2 on the out. To add your letter beads, slip them on with a needle. Make a backwards 4 knot with the right and middle pieces. Also do this on the left side. Repeat this between each letter. As you can see, I spelled out the word DIY, peep the backwards D, but then I just got back to alternating the forwards and backwards knots. After snipping off the end, mine turned out like this. This final bracelet is just a basic wheel style. You can use up to 7 colors of string, but I'm just using 5, and a pair of scissors. Grab a ruler and cut a total of 7 strands at 60 centimeters each. And as our wheel, I cut out a cardboard circle. Make a hole in the center using a pen or pencil, then make 8 small cuts around the circle. Go ahead and pull your string through the hole in the middle and make a knot. Flip over the wheel and begin dividing the string among the cuts. There should be 1 left empty. Count 3 to the right and bring that string to the empty cut. Then count 3 to the right of the new cut and do the same. And repeat this step for a few minutes. Eventually, you can pull out your string and finish your bracelet. So that's it for this week's video. Thanks so much for watching. Feel free to check out my other videos. Like and subscribe for more. Stay safe and I'll see you next time. Bye!